Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to change Gmail account username. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your Gmail account username. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail over here. Now once you open your Gmail application, you can see your profile at the upper right corner. Just click on that and then click on manage your Google account. You have to make sure you have logged into the account that you have, you want to change its username. Now once you open this, you can see personal info. Click on that, and under personal info scroll to where you can see basic info, and under basic info you can see name. Now in this case, just wait for it to load, and you can see your name over here, and you can see nickname, so you can just change the name over here. You can click on this button, the pencil button over here, or the edit button, and then you enter the name. You can enter the last name. Now once you are done, just click on save, and that's it. By doing this, you can change your Gmail account username. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new